In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your emote wheel in Arc Raiders. If you've ever wanted quick access to your favorite emotes, or you're just tidying up your loadout, this will walk you through it clearly and efficiently. Start from the main menu. Make sure you're not in a match or a queue so the options are available. Along the top of the screen, you'll see a row of tabs. Look for the one labeled Raider and select it. This brings you to your character hub, where you manage appearance and gear. From here, find the customization option. It's represented by a gear icon with a person silhouette inside, which makes it easy to spot. Go ahead and open that. At the top of the customization screen, you'll see a few different tabs. Click the one labeled Emote. This is where your full emote collection lives. You'll notice a mix of unlocked emotes and some that are still locked. Locked emotes can't be equipped yet, and you'll need to unlock them through normal game progression or other in-game methods. For now, focus on the emotes that are available to you. Take a moment to hover over or highlight an emote to get a feel for its style and timing. A quick glance here helps you decide what belongs on your wheel without jumping back and forth later. Once you've found an emote you want, select it and choose Equip. The game will prompt you to place it in a specific slot on your emote wheel. Think of the wheel like a clock face. Pick a position you'll remember under pressure. If you rely on a few emotes more than others, put them in the most convenient slots so they're easy to trigger when you need them. Confirm your choice, and that emote is now assigned to the wheel. Repeat this process for any other emotes you want to add or rearrange, selecting each one, hitting Equip, and choosing the slot that makes the most sense to you. If you change your mind later, it's just as simple to swap things around. Select a different emote, equip it, and drop it into the slot you want to replace. As you unlock more emotes over time, revisit this menu to refresh your wheel so it always matches your style and your needs. That's all there is to it. From the main menu to Raider, into customization, onto the Emotes tab, then select, equip, and place. With a few quick tweaks, your emote wheel will be organized, memorable, and ready for action.